This is driving 101 with me, Mike.
Whatever.
This is how you turn a corner. You smile. You show those teeth and put a grin on it. We're now at Buendia.
Hindi pa tayo sa Buendia.
Oh, aren't we? My bad. Sad to say, guys, we're still not at Buendia.
West Movement of direction.
And now this is how we turn U-turn.
U-turn. This is how we turn U-turn.
This is how we turn U-turn.
Okay.
This is how Manila looks. Look at you can show. That's Manong driver right there.
Manong driver.
You know what? I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
No!
This is how you step on the gas pedal. And this is the right way to hold the steering wheel.
No! Hindi kaya yan. Maarte lang yan. Maarting hawak lang yan.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Okay wag ka pa na nakahawak ka ng ganito. Wala kang makikita.